Hello everyone, welcome to Shree's Gallery. I am Bindu Shree. When it comes to fashion, everyone would love to flaunt it in their own way, but budget shouldn't be a showstopper. So here I have few dresses from Myntra which are quite affordable and all are below 750 rupees only. So let's check it out. Here is a beautiful maxi dress from the brand AKS in size S. It is very beautiful in pink and top color. Top is nothing but this greenish ash color what you see over here. It is completely checkered pattern throughout the dress. The material is viscose rayon and it is very soft and comfortable to wear. And coming over to sleeves, you have this strap kind of sleeve. It is completely sleeveless. Strap kind of sleeves you can see here. And towards the neck part, it is kind of pleated over here, which makes it look more beautiful. So you can wear this dress for evening parties or as an ethnic wear as well, and it looks very beautiful. I bought this dress from Myntra at rupees 702 only at a discounted price. So if you would like to buy this top, just go to the description box below and you will find the link over there. Next, I have got this beautiful black color dress from Tokyo Talkies brand in size M. It is completely black in color and you can see white stripes throughout the body of this dress, which makes it look like a checked pattern throughout the body of this dress. Next, it comes with a round neck and the sleeves are regular. It has got a concealed zip at the back side of this dress. You can see it's concealed. You cannot see the zip actually. Then it is very lengthy. The zip length is too long so that you can wear this dress very easily. The material is comfortable with polyester and you can wear this dress for evening parties or night outs like that. And this dress comes with a belt. You can see this belt is quite sleek and so soft. It's not a leather material, but it's very soft and it's quite good material. It's completely flexible and this completes the look of this dress. I bought this dress from Myntra at rupees 674 only. When it comes to Tokyo Talkies brand, you must have observed in my previous video. If you have not watched it yet, go to the I button above the screen and you can check out my previous video where I have posted about Tokyo Talkies dresses. I must say that Tokyo Talkies dresses run a smaller size and I suggest you to go for a one size larger than your usual size. Next, I have got this beautiful blue colored dress from Sassafras brand in size M. It is completely blue in color as you can see and has got floral print throughout the body of this dress. It is pink and off-white in color. It is an off-shouldered dress with flutter sleeves and it is very beautiful as you can see. The material is very thin but it comes with a lining. It is very soft and quite stretchable. The material is completely poly georgette and it is very comfortable to wear. In the side you can see there is a concealed zip to wear this dress. If you're not comfortable wearing an off-shoulder dress like this, you can even wear it like a square neck. It doesn't make a lot of difference. It looks very beautiful. And it comes to calf length. It is quite long. You can wear this dress for evening parties, night outs, and it looks very beautiful. And I bought this dress from Myntra at rupees 737 using my Mincash because it was rupees 819, a discounted price, and I bought it for 737. Next, I have got this blue colored striped dress from brand Sirikit in size S, and you can see it is sleeveless with a shoulder strap, and it is quite long and it comes below the calf length, and towards the knee there is a slit like this which makes you comfortable while walking. And this material is completely poly crepe material and it is like very thin. There is a belt coming along with this dress and it is of the same material. You can tie it around the waist of this dress and it completes the look of this dress. I bought this dress from Myntra at rupees 598. Look wise this dress goes very well for evening parties and outing, but I'm not so happy with the material of this dress to pay it rupees 598. I just bought it because it looks very good when you wear it. So that was today's Myntra dresses haul. I hope you guys liked it. So I have shared the link in the description box below to find these products on Myntra. If you like these products, just wishlist them because soon there will be Myntra Big Fashion Festival offer going on from 16th of October to 22nd of October 2020. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Shree's Gallery, like and share this among your friends. And also you can follow me on Instagram at Shree's Gallery.